Hi, today we are going to make a planter stand from UPVC water pipe. Welcome to my channel Versova Hobbies. We will start with designing the stand, the number of fittings and types required and the lengths of pipes. This is the layout. Using hacksaw blade, we will cut the required lengths. Rub pipe on sandpaper for smooth finish. Alphabet A pipes are 25 cm long and 4 numbers. B 20 cm 4 numbers. C 10 cm 4 numbers. D 30 cm 2 numbers. E 10 cm 8 numbers. We will position all the parts and the pipes. Now we will insert all the pipes into the fittings. The stand will be upside down during construction, hence I have placed all the blue lines on the top side. So when we will put it in the right position, all the blue lines will lay hidden below it. Connect the parts gently, because if there is any error or if you want to turn some fitting or pipe, it will be easy. We will fix it properly later on. As you will see in the further video that I had made a mistake of placing the pipes. Since the pipes were not fitted firmly, I was able to juggle them. A piece of advice: while taking the measurements, first cut all the longer lengths pipes and then take the shorter lengths. This way the wastage will be less. I wanted 3.6 meter length of pipe and each pipe was 3 meter long. So I had cut it in such a way that just 2 centimeter wastage of pipe was there in the first pipe, and from the second pipe I took 0.6 meters. The rest I will be using in making the second stand. People love to give advice, mostly free advice, and so do I. And my second advice, which is also free, is that while using hacksaw blade, you have to be very careful because it has got a very sharp edge. You have to be extra cautious when children are around because they might get hold of it and might injure themselves or someone. What could be the mistake over here? I don't think I had made any calculation mistake in the lengths of pipes. At first, I thought that I had made a mistake in measurements. But then I realized that I had replaced the A pipes with B pipes and B pipe with A pipe. I made the mistake that in place of B pipe I have placed A pipe, and in place of A pipe I have placed B pipe. Hence the opposite sides were not matching. After repositioning the pipes, everything fitted in its place like a dream. This is what I meant when I said in the start of the video only that all the joints should be gently attached to each other. This way I was able to replace the pipes quite easily. If I would have fitted it firmly, tightly into all the joints, then it would have been difficult for me to loosen the joints. All the parts of the stand are in their proper position. Now properly thumping them, we will be able to fix them tightly. Using the palm of the hand, properly thumb all the joints. We can even use wooden hammer. It is not advisable to use iron hammer because iron hammers might damage the parts. If we wish to make it more sturdy, we can even use fast glue or PVC glue. This will make all the parts stick together firmly. So if we wish to replace any pipe, it will be difficult, or say not impossible, but it will be difficult to replace a particular patch of pipe. However, there is a disadvantage that if we wish to make any change in the design, that won't be possible. Congratulations, our first planter stand is ready for use. Based on my dimensions, the size of the planter stand is length is 43 inches, that is 110 centimeters, width is 12 inches or 30 centimeter, height is 5 inches or 13 centimeters. Previously it was such a mess. As you can see that it looks so neat and tidy on my terrace. Success in first attempt has inspired me to make another one. Hope it has inspired you too. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.